No, don't worry about it. Can you guys move the chase vehicle out of the way?
Move the Suburban.
I'll move it in line with Tyler's vehicle.
Yeah, maybe.
Actually, I don't care. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
No, it's okay. That's okay.
So, hey, do you need the computer up and running for what you're gonna do? Okay. Because I want to take the hard drive and use it.
You got your, no. Tell me when you got your hard drive out.
Okay.
No, you don't need a box.
You want me to put, yeah. The damn thing. Oh, right. So what now? We know what goes in here. It's okay. Need a screwdriver?
Probably will.
You know, for that jittering, in order to increase the speed that we can do on straightaways, all I gotta do is filter the heading. I mean, that's it.
Let's turn the vehicle lights off.
Do you know what I mean? And then the oscillation that we got in the first run on the corners, it was just going too fast for the kind of software that we're running, you know? And I mean, post-site visit, you know, if whatever happens tomorrow, if...
I won't need it quite yet.
Oh. Yeah, well, let me see. Nobody ever soldered this. That's why it came out. Well, nobody ever soldered this.
What's that? All the way. That was all.
Oh yeah? Cool.
Pretty
bunch on course?
Yeah. The only problem is I put this new. See, before I would pre-create the course and I'd let it run in that place.
Okay, can you guys check?
And then I developed, you know, pathing, and then it places its own commands.
If there seems to be any information about that, maybe.
And I had this map that maps the
Probably not.
turning radius.
I think that was
I
one of
checked
the
all
very
of these.
first
And all that's
problems we saw.
really tested on the real car. So for the kind of localization and the kind of control we have, it was just going a little too fast in that corner.
There's all your tools.
And
That's a pretty tight corner actually.
and the thing is, the way, because we haven't really got the proper iron yet for this place.
Right.
I had to sort of mock one up manually. I used the 10 GPS coordinates that I did after Marcel's thing, and then the corners wouldn't connect because they were too far apart, so I had to sort of manually in Cycor place the things to connect, and then the end result of that was the corner was kind of like a double corner.
I
hate them,
And all these little things, you know, kind of
just sponsoring us.
make it a little bit more sensitive, but
We ate a lot.
nothing that can't be tweaked.
What would we pay for it?
I don't know about tomorrow, but
They kept us
Yeah, that's true.
Where does this thing came from?
On
Dude. What?
It's on here.
Oh, put it back on.
Medium light?